In this comprehensive playlist, I will guide you through the essential steps of DIY SEO, empowering you to take control of your online presence and attract more customers. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or marketing professional, this playlist will equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need to succeed in the search landscape. Here's what you can expect from this playlist. Clear and concise explanations. I will break down complex SEO concepts into easy-to-understand terms, ensuring you grasp the fundamentals of search optimization. Actionable tips and strategies. I will provide you with practical steps and techniques that you can implement immediately to improve your SEO ranking. Real-world examples and case studies. I will showcase real-world examples of businesses that have successfully implemented SEO strategies, demonstrating the potential impact on your bottom line.
By the end of this playlist, you will be able to optimize your Google My Business listing, claim, verify, and optimize your Google My Business listing to increase your visibility in local search results. Improve your website's on-page SEO. Implement best practices for on-page SEO to ensure your website is search engine friendly. Build local citations and backlinks. Build high-quality backlinks from local websites and directories to boost your authority and ranking. Create compelling content. Create content that resonates with your audience and attracts potential customers. Track your results and make adjustments. Monitor your progress and make data-driven decisions to further optimize your local SEO strategy. Ready to unlock the power of local SEO and take your business to the next level? Subscribe to this playlist and start your journey to local SEO success today.